Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering off the headphones and unplugging any cables. That prevents accidental damage and lets you focus. Next, use a soft cloth to protect finishes while you pry. Insert a small flat tool at the seam and gently work around to loosen the old pad. Once a corner lifts, pinch the cushion and peel slowly. You want the adhesive and retaining ring to release evenly, because ripping can deform the cup and complicate reassembly. Keep parts organized for step. Now you remove the retaining ring and clear old adhesive. This is the middle, detailed work where patience matters. Use isopropyl on a cloth to clean the seat and allow it to dry. Adhesive residue prevents a proper seal. Position the new pad so its notch matches the hinge or cable channel, then press the ring into the groove in small sections, making sure the foam sits flush. Once the ring clicks in, smooth the cushion outward so there are no folds or air pockets. Finish by wearing the headphones to confirm comfort, seal, and left-right alignment. You want an even clamp and no gaps. Then reconnect cables and power on to test audio. If you hear muffled sound or imbalance, make sure the pad is centered and the retaining ring fully seated. Small misalignments can alter bass response. If problems persist, swap pads between sides to rule out a defective cushion, and if needed, gently reseat the cushion or replace the ring. That usually solves fit or sound issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.